Hello my friend, welcome to this video. Before we start, if video content was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Thank you. Today we're going to talk about 2D cursor, snap, and pivot point. 2D cursor gives us 4 options. 1. Specify point of move, rotation and scale. Specify snap point. Specify point of creation of object. Specify the pivot point. I start with 3D cursor for moving. 3D cursor is the circle. You can transform your 3D cursor with hold shift and right click, or select tools cursor, press in and go to view, if you want the 3D cursor go back in the center, press shift and C. I want to specify point of rotation, scale and move. I hold shift and right click here and select the object and rotate, and from here and select 3D cursor. See? Specify point of snap. I go to edit mode with tab, select the vertex. For snapping, shift and S, and now I want cursor to selection. You see? Now I create shape and select this and press shift S until selection to cursor. And now in here in edit mode, I click on press N, select the vertex, press shift S, selection to cursor, press shift S, selection to cursor, keep offset. You see? Or you can specify from there. No offset and offset. And now I want to show you interesting things. I go to edit mode, select this. Select the cursor and press N and go to tools and orientation on with geometry. Select this. See, the cursor is according to normal face. Now I press shift, create a cube. It create in the place of cursor. Now I tell the cube I want be aligned with cursor. Now I want create object according to the cursor. Now I click here for 2D cursor and shift a cube. And here, shift A and cylinder. And now specify the pivot point. The pivot point is a small orange circle. Okay, I want to move this pivot point to here. From Snap Tools, I want vertex and select the snap and hold Shift right click to snap. Go object, set origin to cursor. The pivot point has some option for moving or rotation or scale. Right, select all and you select the bounding box. It's like the box here that the center is here and the pivot point is here. Now another is 3D cursor. When the 3D cursor is here, I tell Blender the point be here. See? Now I want in the visual origins. See that? And what is this? The median point. When I move here from there, the pivot point is here. It's like concept of center of gravity. See? It's here. When I is here, the pivot point is here. You see? And the active element is the last selection. This video is over. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment, and goodbye.